not pay your rent, but you make sure that you stay laced up. Say hey, let me hear you say ho. If you ain't sweating out your weave, you best go home.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm probably gonna give a little update of how 2 weeks in college has been. And yeah, I'm about to give y'all a tour of my room. I don't consider my room finished, only because like I got stuff that I want to get, but when I bought it, it just wasn't working. So yeah, I'm about to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so when you walk in, you first see my roommate's side of the room completely, and then you start seeing my side. Let me do a walkthrough real quick so y'all can see everything. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my closet, and right here is just my purses hanging up on the back of the door because they take up so much space. I got a couple hats behind them. Then in here is extra like toothpaste and toothbrushes. I have my iron. I have extra pillowcases and sheets. I have all my natural hair products in here. Then there was a nail sticking out of the wall, so I hung up my robe and my umbrella. And then here's my dresses right here, a couple of them, some jackets and hoodies. Excuse the noise. I have people upstairs, of course. I live on the first floor. I hear everything. But then there's some shirts. Here's my laundry basket. And then there's drawers. In here is toiletries and like my towels and stuff. And then in this corner back here there is cleaning supplies, and then my shower shoes. But that's all for the closet. Yeah, pretty organized. Now over to the dresser. So on top of the dresser, as you can see, I have everything, literally. Oh, this is out of place. But yeah, I have everything. Wait. Shout out to Khalees for making me that. I use it all the time. But yeah, here's just like all my skincare stuff and makeup. Here's my drawers. And then I have shirts. More shirts. I'm just gonna skip those. Those were my bottoms drawers. But then there's my little chair. This chair is horrible, and you should only sit in it if you need a punishment for not doing work. And here's my laptop, my phone, clock, you know, a fan, some books. Here's like the hair stuff that I use every day, mostly. My iPad. There's my reminder of when meal times are, and this is my to-do list for the day. Yeah. There's my water bottle, my binder, some more books. This is the work I've been working on today. Then there's my book bag. It's so cute. Isn't it cute, guys? Got my Lisette pen on my book bag. Let's focus in on that. Yeah. Woo. Then there's just my trash can. And here's like assorted stuff. Then there's like school supplies and a bunch of Sharpies and contact solution and stuff. And then both of my drawers do this. It's so annoying. And it's like binders and stuff. Okay, that's it for my desk. Oh, up here. And here is my jewelry and sunglasses and chargers and contacts and all that good stuff. Then there's my keys, hand sanitizer, you know, the usual stuff. This is my oil diffuser that likes to cut off a lot. Then there's my Lysol, my air freshener, and Clorox wipes. I forget what's in here. Yeah, this is my room. Let's focus again. There we go. Okay, so now over here near the fridge, I skipped my bed, but it's okay. So I have a Walmart brand Keurig. It's pretty cool. Got the microwave. And then we have the fridge. Now, the fridge looks kind of empty. Most of the stuff is mine. The water is both of ours. And here's like my bowls, my cups, my plate. Yeah. And here there's, you know, snacks. If you guys ever want to send me snacks, you know, I like bacon jerky. Bacon jerky is the best bacon jerky. Bacon jerky is the best jerky. That's what I meant to say. But yeah, got my ramen. Got some Cheez-Its back there, some Pop-Tarts. Then here's the drawer that I've been feasting on more often. Got my mints, a honey bun, some cakes, you know. The good stuff, the good stuff. Some crackers. Then under my bed, I have Pepsi, more coffee. There's water back there too, and there's juice in here. This is a tote full of snacks. Then over here, I have a little shoe rack covering my suitcase back there. But these are the shoes that I wear often. Over here, got some more shoe bins. Yes, they're filled with shoes. Now, the best place ever. My bed. Here's my bed. There's the top. There's the tapestry. And there's this Hello Sunshine on the wall. Got that from Dave & Buster's. This is my bed. I got this throw blanket from Walmart. I got this mattress set from Target. This is a little pillow. Got that from Dave & Buster's. This is a bear that I got from the school store. And he's pretty cool, you know? He just hangs out on my bed. Then I got this pillow from Walmart too. Yeah. Got two other pillows to kind of pull it together. I have my tapestry. Zoom out. I have my tapestry from Five Below. Yeah. Got this rug. It's a bath rug from Walmart. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the looks of my room.